Only on 12, eat at your own risk. Cockroaches, dirty hands, food that can make you sick.
Yeah, we cover the restaurants that made the dirty list, but the health department shuts down those that keep making the same mistakes.
Team 12's Brian West looks into the mountain of health reports and shows us some of the biggest violators.
When a restaurant has a permit revoked, the health reports are taken offline. But we were able to get them to tell you the 19 restaurants that lost their permit last year. The county gives restaurants numerous opportunities to fix any priority violations they have. But when the problems persist, the county takes action. Like at Rice Paper, located in downtown Phoenix. It's now out of business. The county's saying this happened just last week. Multiple reports from March of 2016 to December of 2016 show the restaurant continually failed to store or thaw meats correctly. At 4 different inspections over the course of a year, inspectors found raw and frozen chicken, beef, tuna, and shrimp sitting in a sink or on a food prep counter to thaw. Health inspectors tell me this could cause sickness. Restaurants must thaw any frozen food in a refrigerator or submerge it in cold water. Rice Paper was warned every time, and according to the reports, did nothing to change the habit. Inspectors also discovered live cockroaches multiple times in the kitchen. The health department revoked the permit to Rice Paper in December, but the restaurant switched managers and applied for a new one within days. We're told by the county that they closed just last week. Next is TK's Urban Tavern at Scottsdale Quarter. From June of 2015 to March of 2016, the restaurant had multiple violations regarding hand washing. One time, the sink didn't have paper towels. Another time, there was no hand soap at all. The other major issue, storing prepared food at the right temperature. In order to prevent any bacteria that can cause salmonella, E. coli, or listeria from spreading, foods must be stored in a cooler at a temperature under 41 degrees. During several inspections, inspectors continually asked managers to throw away food. Even though the permit was revoked in March of 2016, a new one was reissued within days. By July, the business was closed again. So who else lost their permits last year? We'll have a couple of those names coming up.